motorcycles. Looks like some crate engines. It'll look like they got a whole bunch of cars over here they're ready to work on. Good collection. It's an old Mustang, Chevrolet, another Chevrolet, another Chevrolet. Look at GMC. It looks like these are all ones. I want to go down here. Yeah, there's a nice one there, right there. I want to go down and look at this far one here. Look at that. That's a car right there. Look at that. I believe that's a Pantera. Look at it real close. Seats, man. It's just, you're pretty much laying down with it. Let's see here. Oh, it's a Sebring. Man, what is that? Wow. That is just totally... It's a work in progress, but look at that thing. Look at that thing right there. It's only about waist high. Look at that. And here is a beautiful. Look at this Dodge. Look at that. Dodge Charger. Purple. It's a 500. That thing, man. It's just gorgeous. Looks like they're trying to fix up. Beautiful color. Our top. It's just beautiful. Look at that thing. Just needs an engine in the front. It'll be ready to go. Old Volkswagen. It's all here at the Hot Rod Parts Service Installation. CNC. It's in service. Look at that right there. Hope you enjoyed this little adventure.